Hello MacroHeart community, welcome back. So today I have been writing the core contracts and hopefully these will be finished by tomorrow. So that being said, today I want to continue the discussion about identity that we started in the previous video. So there have been two solutions that are trying to solve the problem of one identity having one account. So one of the projects is known as WorldCoin. So the idea behind WorldCoin is pretty simple. So they have built an orb, which is a device where you go and scan your eye and they take your iris scan. So based on the scan, they give you a digital identity. Now since an individual can only have one iris scan, they can only have one account on their network. So that is on a broader level the idea behind WorldCoin. So there's not a lot of information about them on the web, but this is all I know about them. So we can observe that the solution of WorldCoin is pretty centralized because first of all, the device in which you are scanning your eye is owned by a company, and the bootstrap mechanism through which your data is taken and you are given an identity has a centralized infrastructure. Now, another idea which is completely decentralized, although a little difficult to implement, is called soulbound tokens. Soulbound tokens is an abstract idea, and essentially it is a non-transferable NFT token. This means that if my pseudonymous account receives a soulbound token, then I or anyone else on the blockchain network cannot transfer this token that I have received. So it is proposed that this way soulbound tokens will serve as a mechanism to earn reputation. So let's take an example to understand this. Suppose I have an account on Binance. Now, the amount of trading volume that I generate on Binance somehow depicts my trading capabilities. Suppose that in 1 year I trade $1 million worth of cryptocurrencies. Now, Binance can issue me a soulbound token which says that my account traded $1 million worth of cryptocurrencies. Now, this soulbound token will be non-transferable. Although no one knows who is behind this account, although it is me, but if someone sees that no matter whosoever is behind this account has done $1 million worth of trading volume and Binance has given a certificate in the form of a soulbound token to this account, then this account is a pretty trading savvy guy and I can maybe do some sort of business with this account. Therefore, this account successfully earned a reputation token. Another example of soulbound tokens is debt certificates. So imagine that I take a loan from Binance for $1 million and then I do not pay this loan back. Until I don't pay this loan back to Binance, Binance can give me a soulbound token which says that this account has taken a loan of $1 million and it's been 2 years and this guy has not given the money back or has only given 50% of the money back. Now, anyone else can see this token in my account and they will know that I'm not a good borrower, so they will not trust me. So this is another way through which soulbound tokens can represent reputation. So the one premise that we can observe here is that in order to earn soulbound tokens, we have to spend some activity which is scarce in real world. For example, the amount of trading volume is scarce. If I have certain amount of money, I can only do so much amount of trading volume. Similarly, if I'm getting a soulbound tokens for donations to charity, then I can only do so much amount of donations. So this is how soulbound tokens is trying to build the concept of reputation in a completely decentralized network and using that giving an identity to a pseudonymous account without a name. So that's all for today. Hope you find this video useful and helpful. And if you're seeing me for the first time, then subscribe to this channel and become part of the MacroHeart community where we are building the next economy. So see you tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye.